This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish oil. Making your own fish oil at home is a rewarding process, ensuring you get a pure, high-quality product. We'll cover everything from selecting the best fish to the final storage steps. You'll learn the simple techniques and equipment needed to extract beneficial omega-3 fatty acids right in your own kitchen. Get ready to create a fresh, potent supplement for your well-being. To begin, selecting the right fish is crucial for a rich oil yield. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines are excellent choices, offering high concentrations of beneficial oils. Always prioritize fresh, wild-caught fish to ensure the highest quality and purity. Before cooking, meticulously clean and debone your fish, then cut it into small, uniform pieces. This preparation ensures even cooking and optimal oil extraction, setting the stage for a successful batch. Now, let's move to the extraction process. Place your prepared fish pieces into a pot with just enough water to cover them, about 1/4 of the fish volume. Gently simmer this mixture on low heat for approximately 30 minutes. You'll notice the oil beginning to separate and rise to the surface. Once cooked, carefully strain the entire liquid through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth. For maximum yield, press the remaining solids to release any last drops of precious oil. The final steps involve purification and proper storage. First, let the extracted oil cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it to a container and refrigerate it overnight. This chilling process helps any remaining water or impurities settle at the bottom, allowing the pure fish oil to solidify or separate on top. The next morning, carefully skim off the clear, pure fish oil. Store your finished product in an airtight, dark glass bottle in the refrigerator for optimal freshness and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.